So just I think this is a cool shot. You know, this is nothing for Raed right here. This is kind of like his forte. The exterior damage, as you guys seen, is on the front part of the bumper cover. But to actually save, like, there's a couple ways you could do it. If this bumper cover, when she got in an accident, was torn, you would have to replace the outside bumper cover. Now, none of this is included. Your fog light, your grille, your lower grille opening, all of these are additional pieces that you would have to buy had it been damaged. But obviously, if you got a fender bender like this, we could save the pieces. You know, Raed has the ability, the tools, the know-how to be able to save the panel. But in order to do it the Raed way, pimp my Raed smooth, to do it the right way, you gotta disassemble all of this stuff. Now the good thing about it, the damage is only on one side. Nothing's too small, nothing's too big. However you want it done, you come see us, man. We ain't playing no games. Hats for everybody, 2022. Here we come, man. Let's go. VTSV Auto. Rock the beat. Like when you add the touch of the new motors, it kind of just add like a little pop, you know? Like once you see the look, the crispness of it, so good fit. You know, this is a fiberglass car, so that's just another degree of difficulty that you do when you paint a full fiberglass car too. It's not steel, so it's a different way that you go about handling the dents, but it's a piece of cake for us if, you know, Raed slam dunk stuff like this, you know, so, yeah. Tell me your IG. What's your IG name, man? Tell him your IG.
Big Shot Rod.
That's Big Shot Rod, man. Y'all go on IG and check him out. He ain't just start touring cars, man. He got a lot of little toys. This was a family heirloom. It was his dad's car, 58,000 mile car. If you guys follow the channel, he gave us an opportunity to kind of resurrect and give it a little life. You know, we did a factory paint, redid the interior with pre-stitched panels, so it came out looking real good. He's gonna take it from here and probably add a few more touches. He came down from Tampa, so shout out for the people that's out of town that's giving VTSV Auto a shout. We love the support, man. We appreciate it. We look forward to doing more for you, man. Thank you so much.
We appreciate you.
My guy. VTSV Auto, we got another good guy came in, you know, follow the channel.
Manney, the mentor, man. I'm talking trucking, freight broker, and dispatching, man. I end up scrolling through YouTube, man. I got a 71 Cutlass in a 1985 Monte Carlo that I'm about to bring up here at the beginning of the year. Scrolling through YouTube, man, some people played me, man, on the last round, but I know I ran into the right people now,
Right,
you know what I'm saying, based off the knowledge level. You know, this man got, man, so, man, big salute to Vic.
Tenfold, man. It's us as a team, you know. It's me, the whole team, Justo, Raed, Mr. Rich, you know what I'm saying? But we definitely appreciate the compliment. You know, without those guys, you know, I'd probably be, you know, talking to myself. But, hey, man, we thankful for all the brothers that come down. Check out his channel. The guy's a very knowledgeable cat. For those that's in 18-wheelers, he's your guy. My guy Claude gonna be getting it and sold anyway, you know. So it's ways the brother teaching you how to get money, man. So I think it's good for us to come together, link up, you know, brother to brother, and show, you know, that it's love out here, man. Why not start with an ally, man? No doubt, man. Appreciate it, man. Y'all come back, VTSV Auto. We got love for y'all, man. What y'all thought? Y'all thought it was fake? This shit real deal, man. We got love for y'all. Let's go.
Appreciate it. I want you guys to do the motor too. That's what I really want.
Yeah,
You
what
know?
kind of motor in it now?
And
What
I
we
mean, it got a
thinking?
350 in it now. It's just a regular 350.
Yeah.
It ain't running strong or nothing right now. Really, I'm up here, man. I need to come up here to talk to the expert.
Right,
You
right,
know,
right.
that's why I'm up here.
3, 10, 12, you might got 12, 13,000 in this motor, you know what I'm saying? At 12, 13,000, another $1,000, we get one brand new.
Yeah.
That's what made me start telling you. People kind of, you know, 6 in one hand, half dozen in the other. Like I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really trying to push nobody no error, but see, it starts off as a $3,000 motor.
Right.
Now, if you buy the heads, this might add another $1,500. And doing the transmission, and then get your computer. The computer harness got to control it. When you buy a new motor, all that shit gonna come with it.
Right.
You don't have to go 1,000 horse. You ain't putting a power out of it. We can just get a nice one. Let's just say you spend $3 grand on parts.
Yeah.
Probably have you one with 60,000 miles, and then you have room to grow. You got a motor in there that's already set up, it's running, but you might say, hey, well, I want a little more beef. I can add a turbocharger, I can add a supercharger, whatever it is, you can grow long term. And then you're gonna have a motor that you can drive from here to California back, and you don't have no worry out. My brother Goo came, if y'all remember the bill, this was a paint job. We call it the Quickie. Everything is serviceable. He did a custom blow through, got 4 brand new 12s that went in it. So probably 2 would have made him happy, but the way that, you know, that he did it, the way that we was pushing it, we kind of went a little overboard. So we like to do things extreme here, but you can see the fit and finish. He went with the gray on it because the interior side is gray. We gave you a little transparency with the Impala logo. This is a true 96 SS Impala. We haven't put the logos back on it after we painted it because we wanted to send it out to get music first. Now we're gonna do all the little detail touch-ups that we gotta do to it now, but overall it looks damn good to me. I really like how it came together, so. Still got a couple of more things we're gonna do to it for the music. I think now that he got so much music, we're gonna upgrade the alternator. If y'all know about Mech Man, we sell Mech Man, Big Dog, check them out. You know, they got some real good electronics, so we definitely gonna do it, but check them out, the 26s. These, if y'all remember, we fitted the wheels, Raed custom fitted a pair of 26s. We had a set here. These are the original 26s that's going on the car, so they look good. He went with a brush finish. The brush kind of like coexists well with the gray interior. So this is a factory color code burgundy with the gray inside. So we went with a burgundy candy and just left it. The interior is real clean, so we left everything how it was. Just need to be cleaned up a little bit for, you know, we had a little extra dust here. We get dusty at VTSV Auto. We dirty, man. Our hands get dirty. Y'all like men that work hard with hands dirty? Get at us.
Good, yes, looking good.
Fog light and this cover, all of this stuff had to be disassembled in order to be able to fix the damage in paint. You know, oil was gonna be overlapped, so it's perfect. Didn't know that you got a factory candy. You can let people know you actually got a candy paint job. Yeah, there's a three-stage paint job. There's a base coat, there's a translucent coat, then it's clear. That's just what a candy is. So it was crazy when we did it. A little more for the materials. That's why it was a little more than what we said at first. Overall, it looks great.